Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, guys. Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Wanted to shoot you guys a quick Christmas video, let you see the dirt bikes and youth ATVs we have in stock. We have Kawasaki line as well as SSR in the dirt bikes. And we have Kymco Mongoose youth ATVs. We also offer training wheels that we can install on these machines for those who are just learning to ride. Some of them also come in automatic or semi-automatic configurations for those who have never ridden before. Makes things a breeze. Here we have a KLX 110 as well as an SSR 70. We have electric dirt bikes. We have dirt bikes in various colors and sizes to suit all needs. Got quite an impressive lineup of little dirt bikes here, as well as youth ATVs and go-karts. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling and check it out for yourself. And thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas.